This is part of the Southwold Earthworks. It is a prehistoric site in Iona, Canada, in the province of Ontario. And this was once a fortified village occupied by the neutral Indians between about 1500 and 1650 AD. This earthworks was built up, and then they had a palisades across the top of it. The neutrals emerged as a distinct group within the Iroquois culture about 1450. The reason they were called that was because they did not participate in wars with traditional Iroquois rivals. This neutrality aroused the ire of the Iroquois Confederacy, and the Mohawk and Seneca raids brought about the demise of the neutral nation by 1650. In this particular spot, you can see the double earthworks that was used for protection. This is about the best spot so far that you can see it. This earthworks is the only double earthworks used by the natives in all of Canada. Again, here are the double mounds. And they go all the way around in a circle. Now over here on this side, you do not see double mounds.